Welcome to Vedic Mathematics session. In this class, we are going to discuss the multiplication part 6. Right. We were discussing the specific techniques as well as the general techniques of the multiplication in Vedic maths. Those who have not watched the previous videos, do watch them. And the immediate previous video, you can watch it by just clicking the I button. Right. Okay, now in the specific techniques, the techniques which are for only special kinds of numbers, right? Is that clear? The specific techniques are only for special kind of numbers, whereas general techniques are for all kinds of numbers. So, in multiplication, in the part of specific techniques, today we will do the multiplication by the teens, okay? Teens multiplication, okay? Right, teens are the numbers like 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, likewise. So, the teens are the numbers from 11 to 19, right? So, the multiplication from 11 to 19, how do we do? We will learn here. Now, let me take a number. Now, if I take number 32, okay. Let me multiply it with 11. In a traditional way, how do we do it? We write 32, 11. So, we do it likewise. We keep it here and again we do it, multiply it and we add them. So, all this, the convention method, it takes 6 to 7 minutes. Right. Now, here in this technique, it will take only 2 seconds. Right. How do we do this? Here, write the first as it is, the first number as it is, then add the first two. So, 3 plus 2, 5. Write the last number as it is. So, 352 is the answer. Just 1.5 seconds or just 2 seconds we got the answer. Right. Likewise, if you, let me take 43 multiplied by 11. Now, let's start. The first as it is. Now, add both of them. 4 plus 3, 7. The last as it is, 473. So, will this work for 3-digit number? Let's check out. Now, let me take one 3-digit number. 1, 4, 2, 3. Okay. Let me take 4-digit. Okay. Let me take 4-digit. Also, it works out for all digit numbers. So, I have taken 4-digit. Let's start. Now, the first number as it is, then add them. So, it comes to 5. Then again add them, comes to 6. Then again add them, it comes to 5. Then drop the last one as it is. So the answer is 15653 is the answer. 14323 multiplied by 11. What I did, I have written the first as it is, the last as it is, then 2 numbers I am adding and writing down. Then the next 2 numbers and the next 2 numbers, then the last as it is. That means nothing but if this part, these are all teens, isn't it? 11 to 19. So this part is 1. When we do it with 2, we have to multiply with 2. So 1, if I multiply with 1, so the first as it is, I am multiplying 1 with 4 and adding 2. So 1 with 4 is 4 plus adding 2 is 6. So 1 into 2 is 2 plus adding 3 is 5. So, simply multiplying it 1. So, I am not doing it. For 11, just adding. So, let's do for a 3-digit number. 3, 4. Now, let me take 7. Okay. 6, right? This is a 3-digit number here. Now, let's start. 3 as it is. First number as it is. Then, add 2 numbers comes to 7. Right. Next 2 numbers comes to 4 plus 6 is 10. So, what do you do? 0. Keep it 0. And a carry of 1. So, 10. If it is a double digit number, just write the carry. Then write as it is the last number. Now, this is not the answer. We have to include the carry also. We have to add it. So, 3806 is the final answer. If it is a carry, just add it. Then you write you will be getting the answer in the next step. Right. So, 3 digits. So, let me take another example. This is the first. This is the second. Please do note it down. 4. Fourth one. Let me take another example. Fifth one. So will it work with any digit? So any digit into 11, the process is the same. So let us take a bigger number 5, 6, 7, 8, 7. Okay, 5 digit into 11. Now let's get started. Now the 5 into 1, that is 5 as it is. Now add two numbers, 5 plus 6 is 11, so 1 and 1 carry. Right, now next two numbers, 6 plus 7 is 13, so 3, 1 carry. Now 7 plus 8 is 15, 5, 1 carry, and 8 plus 7 is 15, 5 plus 1 carry, and the last number. Now this is not the answer, we have to include the carryovers. Now see here, 6, 5 plus 1, 6, 2, 4, 6, 5, 7 is our final answer. Right, now here this technique works out for 11. Now let's see with the 12. How do? We will see all for all the teens. Now quickly pause the video and note it down. Let's see for 12. Now we'll take for 12, right? Let us take a 2-digit number, 34 into 12. Same procedure we do. How do we do? First multiply, just write 3 as it is. That means we are multiplying with 3. Now, for every number, multiply it with 2 and add the next digit. Right, next digit. So here, even this we have done the same way. We are multiplying it with this one. We are multiplying it with 1. First number as it is, multiplying 5 with 1 plus adding 6, that comes to 11, isn't it? So multiplying with 1 means, so that's why I haven't multiplied, because with 1 the same number, so we keep on adding. Here what we have to do, this is 2, isn't it? 12. So what we have to do, first number as it is, then the first number, take the first number, multiply with 2, 3 2s are 6, add 4, 6 plus 4 is 10, okay? 0 and 1 carry. So the number here is 40. Okay, and we have to also write the last number. That too we have to multiply it with 2. 4 2s are 8, and there is no next digit, so we are not adding. So 4 2s are 8, 3 not 8. So this comes to 408. Got it? So the procedure here is we are multiplying it with 2 and adding the next digit. That's it. Only this is the procedure. Let me explain you with another example. Okay. Now let us take now 73. Okay. Let me multiply with 12. Now how do we do? Because this is 2. So 7 as it is. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 3, 17. So comes to 7. Keep a carry here. Then again 3 2s are 6, 6 plus, then there is no next digit, so 3 2s are 6 just as it is. Now this is not the actual answer, but we have to include the carry. Okay, 8 7 6 is the answer. So what we are doing, just multiplying with 2 and adding the next digit. First number as it is you have to write, then multiply with 2, add the next digit, then multiply with 2, add the next digit. If there is no next digit, stop it there. Okay, here when you are doing 3 2s are 6, there is no 6 only we have dropped, there is no other digit to add. Okay, so simply what we are doing, just multiplying with 2 and adding the next digit. This is the technique to be followed for all. If you are taking for 13, so let us see for a 3-digit number. Okay, now let me take another example. So 4-digit number. Right, let us start. Now the first number as it is, right? Now what we have to multiply with 2? 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, it comes to 11. So drop 1, carry 1. Now 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 0 and 1. 4 2s 8. 8 plus 6, 14. Okay, here 6 2s 12. 12 plus, there is no other number, isn't it? So 12. So this is not the final answer. Then add it and write down 5 2 1 5 2 is the answer. So this is what we have done for even 1 also. But multiplying with 1 comes the same number. So just for 11 we are just adding it. Now for 12, for 13, 14 till 19, the same procedure. We have to drop the first number, then for 14, 4 we have to multiply and add the next number. Now let's check for, let me take another example. Let us take for 13 and 14, right? Now if you take 43 into 14, let's start. The first number as it is 4. Now here multiply with 4, add the next digit. 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 3, 19. So 9 and 1 carry. Now 3 4s are 12, 12. After that there is no digit to add, okay? So 3 4s are 12. So 2 and carry 1. Now the answer here is, here 4 plus 1 5, but that is a carry number, so this should be increased to 1. So this comes to 6. Here drop the end number and 2. Okay, 2, 10 and 6. Okay, that means 602. You can do it in way. The adding is here 5, but this becomes 6 because this is a carry combination. So this becomes 6. Now this end number is 0 and 2. We have done it in the addition concept. Okay, Vedic maths addition concept. Now let me take another example. Likewise, we are doing the multiplication with the teens, isn't it? Let us multiply 5, 4, 6 multiplied by 16. Okay, let's get started. Now 5, first number as it is. Now 5, 6, 30. 30 plus 4, 34. So 4 and 3. Now 6, 4 is 24. 24 plus 6 is 30 again. 0 and 3. Now here 6, 6, 36, right? 6, 6, 36. There is no number to add. So 36 means 6 and 3. Now the answer here is 8, 7, 3, 6, right? So multiplying with any teens, we can do it such way. It takes only 2 seconds. Pause the video and please note it down or take a screenshot. Now let's see for another teen, okay? Let me take 4, 3, 9, 6 multiplied by 17. Okay. Let us check for 17. Any teen we can do the same procedure 11 to 19. Because 7 is there. 7 you have to multiply. Add the next digit. The procedure is multiply with 7. Add the next digit. Right. This is the technique. That's all. Right. Now here, let's get started. Now first one here, drop it as it is 4. Now we will multiply with 7. 7 4s 28. 28 plus 3 comes to 31. So 1 and 3. Now 7 3 is 21. 21 plus 9 comes to 30. 0 and 3. 3 carry over. Now 7 9s are here. 7 9s are 63 plus 6, that is 69. So 9 and 6. Now 7 6 are 42. There is next digit, there is no next digit. So 42. So 2 and 4. So there are big carryovers. Okay. Now here what we will do, let's start the addition. Addition you can do either way, in the convention method or in the Vedic mathematics method. Okay. 7, here 7, here 4, here 6. Here 0 plus 6 is 6, but this is the carry combination, so 6 becomes 7, isn't it? Now the end number here is 3. Now this is 2. So I have done the addition in the Vedic mathematics. Now what we did? We have multiplied with 7, added the next digit. Multiplied with 7 and added the next digit. Likewise, just in 2 seconds we can get this such answers. Now let me check for another one. Okay, let us do for 18. 3 6 1 3 into 18. Okay, now let's get started. The first number as it is. Now here 8 3s are 24 plus 6 is 30, so 0 and 3. Now 8 6 are 48. 48 plus the next number you have to going on adding, isn't it? 8 6 are 48 plus 1 49. 9 and 4 carry. Now 8 1s 8 plus 3 11. So 1. 8 3s are 24. 4 and 2. There is next number. There is no number. So I did not add it. Now this comes to again start 6 and this is 4, but here it is a carry combination. 9 plus 1 is 10, carry combination. So this 4 becomes 5. Now the end number is 0 here, and here 3, 4. Okay, so this is the final answer. Now likewise, let us see for 19 also we will check out. Now 4, 6, 1, 2 into 19. So any digit, not only 4 digit, not only 3 digit, any digit with the teens, the same procedure. Okay, here started with the first one as it is. Now 9 4s 36, 36 plus 6 42. So 2 and 4. Now 9 6 are here 54 plus 1 55. So 5 and 5 carry. 9 ones 9 plus 2 here. So that is 11. So 1 and 1 carry. See, 9 ones 9 plus 2 11. So 1 and 1 carry. 9 twos 18. We can stop it here. 8 and 1 carry. Now we will add the carry combinations. Okay, we'll add these carries. Okay, so 8. Now here 7, here 6, here 2, here 8. There is no carry combination, so we are not increasing the before digit. Okay, so just the non-carry combination. So I have just simply added over from left to right. Here likewise we can multiply with the teens. This is an awesome and a very amazing technique which will take only 2 seconds to multiply. So hope you have understood this specific technique of multiplication. Thank you all. In our next session we will see another technique.